Alright, so we got the Fabtech Panhard Bar Relocation. So, according to instructions, you have to drill some holes in the stock unit, put two screws right here, put the with the factory Panhard bar bolts goes right in here, and then you move the factory Panhard bar, or track bar, whatever you want to call it, up to here. So, just sets it higher, pretty much needed for a lift. There, right, that's right there. Anyway, just want to show this to you guys because we'll have this put on the same time we have the suspension put on. So just want to kind of let you guys see it. And we'll go from there.